Well, hello everyone. My name is Ilona Thessalonica. My student number is C11.2021.02419, and my friends.
And I'm Amrina Eva Rosada. My study number is C11 2021 02422.
So, we're making this video for our final test, and we are going to interpreting the pictures. I'm choosing the second pictures, and she's choosing the first picture. So, we're going to start with the first picture. Bermain video game bersama.
Playing video games together.
4 anak berkumpul di sebuah kamar tidur yang nyaman untuk bermain video game bersama.
4 kids together in a cozy bedroom to play video games together.
Kamar itu penuh dengan tempat tidur ungu.
The room was colorful with a soft purple bed
serta lampu hijau dan kuning yang ceria.
and cheerful green and yellow lights.
Mereka duduk bersila di lantai mengelilingi konsol permainan sambil tertawa dan bercanda.
They sat cross-legged on the floor around the game console, laughing and chatting.
Suasana hangat memenuhi ruangan, menciptakan dunia kecil tempat mereka berbagi kebahagiaan dan petualangan.
The warm atmosphere made the room feel like their own little world of fun and adventure.
Setiap anak menunjukkan kepribadian unik yang membuat permainan semakin seru.
Each kid brought their unique personality, making the game even more exciting.
Anak laki-laki dengan ikat kepala biru bermain strategis, sementara anak perempuan dengan gaun hijau bergerak cepat mengandalkan insting.
The boy with the blue headband played strategically, while the girl in the green dress moved quickly, relying on instinct.
Anak laki-laki berkaus hijau dan anak perempuan dengan gaun merah bersorak, memberikan komentar lucu atau sesekali mengganggu permainan dengan canda tawa.
The boy in the green shirt and the girl in the red dress shirt made funny comments or playfully insert the game with jokes.
Mereka menikmati setiap momen bukan hanya untuk bersaing, tetapi untuk mempererat persahabatan.
They weren't just playing to win, they were enjoying the time spent together as friends.
Permainan berlangsung dengan sengit namun tetap menyenangkan.
The competition was intense but still friendly.
Momen-momen seperti salah menekan tombol atau bereaksi berlebihan terhadap kekalahan selalu memicu gelak tawa.
With lots of laughter over small mistakes or over-the-top reactions to losing.
Ketika sesi berakhir, mereka berbaring di lantai, kelelahan tapi puas.
By the end of the game, the kids lay on the floor, tired but happy.
Mereka menyadari bahwa kebersamaan inilah yang membuat hari itu begitu istimewa, menciptakan kenangan indah yang tak terlupakan.
They realized it wasn't the game that made the day special, it was the joy of being together and making memories they will always treasure. Mendengarkan cerita kakek.
Listening to grandfather's story.
Di sore hari, anak-anak menikmati waktu di luar rumah bersama kakek mereka.
In the evening, the children is spending their time with their grandfather.
Berdiri di depan rumah berwarna merah.
Standing in front of the red house.
Mereka melihat sang kakek yang menggunakan rompi hijau sambil tersenyum hangat.
They see their grandfather wearing the green shirt with his smile on his face.
Anak-anak segera mengelilinginya.
The children are running to him.
Siap mendengarkan cerita menarik.
I'm ready to hear his story.
Bahkan anjing kecil mereka ikut duduk di dekat kakek seolah ikut menikmati suasana.
Even the dog also running to him, listening to his story.
Kakek mulai menceritakan kisah dari masa mudanya.
Grandfather start his story when he was young.
Tangannya bergerak mengikuti alur cerita, membuat anak-anak terpesona.
His gesture follow how he tell the story, so the children are enjoy his story.
Imajinasi mereka melayang ketika mendengar kisah-kisah petualangan, perjalanan hidup, dan momen lucu yang dibagikan oleh sang kakek.
Their imagination are playing while they're listening to his story.
Kisah itu membawa mereka merasa terhubung dengan masa lalu, memunculkan rasa kagum dan rasa ingin tahu.
His story make the children related to his story and make them proud of him.
Saat cerita berlanjut, anak-anak tidak bisa menahan rasa penasaran.
While the story are continue, the children cannot avoid their curiosity.
Mereka mengajukan pertanyaan antusias seperti apa yang terjadi selanjutnya, Kek?
They ask about the story, like what is happening in the next.
Apa yang terjadi selanjutnya, Kek? Apakah kakek takut waktu itu?
What is happening after that? Are you afraid at that time?
Sang kakek menjawab dengan sabar, membuat suasana semakin akrab.
The grandfathers answer patiently and make the
Semakin akrab.
and make the condition more friendly.
Bahkan anjing kecil mereka terlihat ikut mendengarkan, memiringkan kepala.
Even their dog also follow the gesture, like moving their head,
Mengundang tawa anak-anak.
inviting the children laugh.
Momen ini penuh kehangatan keluarga,
This moment is full of harmonies
mempererat hubungan mereka dengan cerita dan tawa bersama.
and make them together by the stories and the laugh.
Thank you for the listening. Sorry if we made mistakes.
Thank you.
Thank you.